smell. So they, much like elk, they urinate on their beards. They drink their urine. And like on Johnny's front legs, you can see where it's all yellow on the back of him. That's because he has really bad aim. Still. Chewbacca is actually the daddy to most babies on the farm right now. Good job. High, high, high. There you go. Inch. There you go. Not all goats are polite about being milked, so we have hobbles because Stella was having a really hard time, you know. Okay, remember, roll your fingers. Don't pull down, otherwise she's going to lose patience.